and good morning. So, in the market today, we can see it looks like Bitcoin is pumping a little, but be very, very careful. I will tell you why. I believe Bitcoin price will dump quite a lot, and that also means your favorite meme coin or altcoin, whatever you're investing in, probably would dump even more. And also, I will get later to in the video where you actually want prices to dump and pump. You don't care. I will teach you how. For that later on, you also find link below the video if you want to do what I'm showing you in this video. But first, let's get to the market. Let's see here now. So we can see we are now forming a little form of support around. We can use some of these old lines here. We are forming a little form of support around this area here, we can see. So if you see Bitcoin break below here and open on the daily chart below, I'm expecting us to probably go down and test down to this 73,000 area. How this will be is that we probably will close here, then we'll go down quite drastically, I'm guessing, because the market want to take out all the long trades here and liquidate them, and then we'll come down here, probably will maybe even make a fake out here, just so people get very bearish to close the longs, and then we'll shoot up and we'll go so fast up that you will not even manage to react, and will shoot even higher than you see here now. This is a very high probability will happen, and if that happen, coins like Turbo did not even pump yet. The thing is, Turbo is quite far down on the list on investments for people, and of course it's a smaller cap, so when it comes on smaller investment, it shoot up to around 0.01. But for us to really get the pump that this project deserve, it will be farther down the line. That's why when you're in this market, you should concentrate about the top 10 coins. They pump the most, they are more secure to trade in the start of a market. Then other smaller projects, they come later. Yes, you can get a daily, like you see Andy for example now, and your need is 20%, but he will lose this probably if Bitcoin go down like everything else. So this is something I'm expecting. Is it a sure will happen? No, but I'm expecting that we can get a dump down here very soon, and I think sooner rather than later. So, the first thing you need to look for, if Bitcoin close below here, around the 86,396, around there, if you close around there on the daily chart, then expect a big dump, and then of course later on if you're just on a spot trading, you can just hold it and go in again around here. But if you are using any type of multipliers, be very careful. I would the safest thing is that I will not close it yet here because we can easily go up, but if we close below here, close the trade, because then the probability is that we'll go down. So you don't need to deal with this. Where is the top? Where should I sell? Where should I buy? Just turn on and forget about it. Well, use this. Here we can set up our robot. I will show you now how you can do it. You can see I have one down here now. Looks like it's in minus. Do you know, we like to see minus here, because here is basically the profit of the robot right now. We don't care that much about it. You think, why you don't care about it? Because I don't. We want the price to go up and down. That's when you make money. So you can see here now, and here you can take out salary every single day. That's pretty cool. I've been running this robot now for 2.5 days. I started just with $1,700, and you can start with $100 or $50. That's up to you. If you put 50, you don't get so many grids, but I will show you after how you do it. Now let's go here. You go to details. Here you can see more about robot, and what I can do then, I go to more, and here I can release profit. So I can take out every profit he have made from all the small trades he do, because when the price go down, he will buy more times, and when the price go up, he will sell again in very tiny profits, but this adds up very fast, especially in volatile market. That's why I did choose Dogecoin. And my plan also is that every month, when the month is done, I will take out my profit. I probably will take out half to some other things that I'm using, and half I will put into making more robots. My plan is that when the bear market probably will come around May next year, or can even be as far as October next year. Then we are set, because this robot we can even run in the bear market. My target is that we can make a few $100s in profit even through the bear market next year, as I'm now going to make a lot of money using this robot in the bull market, and we can then have a lot of robots, because my plan is to make many different robots on different type of coins. So how we take out the money, we just go here to more, release profit. Then you can see here now in 2.5 days we have made $63. I can then just push all here, 63, and OK. Then I'll take it out. I will not do that, of course, because you'll just do that once a month is my plan there. Okay, so now let's go back. I'll show you how you can set up the robot. So let's say now you want to do like I do, put in Doge. Okay, first of all, before you start, you need to figure out your risk tolerant. When I do these type of things, I keep a very high, not low risk, not high risk, low risk. So what I'm looking at, I always look to the past. I know, for example, if Bitcoin get this dump I'm talking about, Dogecoin will probably dump a lot more. In the last bull market, Dogecoin did get a big red candle all the way down to 0.15. So probably it's smart to keep your liquidation, because you will have a liquidation, because I'm using 3x. You can choose how many x to use. If you use 2x, you can run it super safe. 3x, you can run it safe, and 4x a little more risky. Okay, so my liquidation is down at 0.10, super safe. So now let's take here, we push create a grid node. Okay, you can use customize, or you can copy a strategy. Copy a strategy is a little more risky. You can get a little worse liquidation, like it's very aggressive. Even the one that says moderated here is aggressive. Like balance at 10 is not, you probably will be liquidated. I will not use any of these strategies. I will use customized. Of course, we're going for long. Even in bear market short, I'm very scared of shorting any type of coins. So here I will probably do, for example, let's say 0.20. That means every time he comes all the way down here, because here we see the probability, I think, if we go down, is that he will stop around 0.20. But make your liquidation at least below 0.15 to run it safely. So you can see here, I would have every buy sell down to around here. And we see that he did go up to 45. So let's say up to 0.60 then. That means we don't need to think about anything. As long as the price is between 0.20 and 0.60, he will just trade, and you're making money. So let's say you want 80 grids. Now you can see how it looks like. Then you can see when he comes down to the green areas, he will buy more. So if you see a red, then every time you go down here, the bars above here will turn red. That means when you come down to the green here, when you come up to red, he will sell. So buy, sell. Basically, wherever you are in the market, you are making money. That's why I told you, I don't care if it's minus there. It's actually good, because we got this good dump here. That means everything above here now, that was green before, will now turn red, and red is good for us here, because when you come up to this red line here, for example, he will sell and we make money. So if we, for example, get a bar like this, we love bars like this, that he go up, because we sell and go down, volatile market, we make money. So once again, below the video, you will find a link So you can start to use this also and be a part of my team, and let's make a lot of money this bull market. And yes, I told in other videos also, of course, if you are good, but I will tell you already, most people are losing money even in the bull market. That's the crazy thing. Of course, if you buy here with a 10x, for example, and hold and you sell up here, you're making a lot of money. But what is the chances for that? Because you get greedy when you come up here. And when are you going to sell? Are you going to sell here? Was this the stop? And then you see it's continue up and you go in again. And you think, ah, no, he will go higher because your favorite YouTuber told you so. And you go in with a 10x and then you get liquidated and you lost all your money. So trust me, you will do a mistake through this bull market and you will lose money, and then you lose all hope, and then you don't want more. So why not use something like this where you can get safe income all through the bull market? Yes, you will not get as much as if you do the perfect trade, but what is the realistic that you do the perfect trade? So use a robot like this, and here you can see if you set up this setup I told you here now. Sorry, the smallest investment is $83. So you see, you don't need to go in with 1,700 like I did. You can see you can get away with like $100 to get started. And of course, if you don't want to, you can, if you change this for 0.5, I guess this number will go down. Let's see. See, then you are 78. Because you see, he's not above 0.45, so you don't need to put 0.6. The cool thing with this robot, you can always just go in. Let's go details again. And you can adjust the margin, you can adjust the investment, you can adjust the price range. Of course, he will stop the robot when you adjust some of these things. But when you're in profit already, because if you go higher, you're in profit, you can just close it. It does not matter for you, by the way. So it's a very easy way you can change things. Me personally, I like to set and forget things, so I don't play so much about it, but you have these possibilities. So I will give you more updates video just like this, and I will show you more later on when we start to make more robots, because yes, when this month is done, we are halfway in this month. When the month is done, I will withdraw money and will put back into some other. So if you have any ideas about which coins you would like me to invest in next with the robot, leave it below in the comment field, and also make sure you like this video. This helped me tremendously to get more views on the videos and make it more fun for me to make videos just like this. So if you like safe, passive income, these videos are for you. So with that, have an amazing day.